Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by selecting a trusted VPN provider that uses AES 256 encryption and a strict no-log policy. This protects your data. Once chosen, create the account and enable two-factor authentication for early security. Next, install the official app on the device you'll use and log in. Make sure to verify whether your router or local network allows VPN connections, because if blocked, you'll need a router-level setup. Now you're ready to connect to your first server and test basic access. Once connected, configure protections. Enable the kill switch and DNS/IP6 leak prevention so traffic never leaks if the tunnel drops. Then pick the best server, start with a nearby low-latency option, or choose specialized servers for P2P or streaming. Next, select the VPN protocol, WireGuard for performance, OpenVPN TCP for reliability, or obfuscation when network censor. Also set automatic reconnect and app startup so the VPN is always active. After these steps, run a speed and leak test. You finish by testing. Run a speed test, check for DNS or IP leaks, and verify access to geo-restricted services. If something fails, start troubleshooting. First switch protocol or a different server, then flush DNS and restart the app or device. If problems persist, reinstall the network adapter driver or the VPN client. Make sure to document working settings and enable auto start so protection persists. Lastly, keep the app and router firmware updated. This prevents regressions and maintains compatibility with provider improvements.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.